So hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to solve this implementing queue using stacks problem. So I haven't solved it yet. I've just seen it and I've just read this thing. So my approach to this problem will be, for example, if we have a number something like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we have this queue. So what happens in queue is if we add 1, it will get added from here, and we remove values from here in the queue. So if we add 2, it will be here. Then if we add 3, it will be from here. And if we add 4, it will be from here. And if we remove elements, elements will be removed from the front, from this side. So if we pop, 1 will be removed, and then we pop, 2 will be removed. So we can implement this using stacks. So we don't have to use any queues, we just need stacks. So how we are going to do it is to add elements, we'll have in stack. So if I want to push, I'll just push this element into the stack. And then if I want to push this element again, what I'll do, I'll have another stack. I'll remove the element from here. Remove all of the previous elements from here. I'll add it here. I'll add this new value in here. After adding this new value in here, I'll remove the element from here and I'll push the element back to the stack 1, which was in here. So if I want to add 3, what I'll do, I'll remove the elements from here, push it to here, 1 and 2. I'll add 3. I'll push back these elements here. So if a user performs a pop operation, so it will be easy for it. So 1 will be removed. So this is my approach. So let's do it. First of all, we'll have stack with us. And if a user pushes an element in the stack, we'll require a temp stack. We are going to do is we are going to pop this, not stack but st. I'm going to pop and then I'll be adding the top element in the temp stack, and then I'm going to pop it. Then after that, I'm going to push a new X element into the stack, and then I'm going to push so I'll be doing this. Okay, to pop we are just going to store the top variable in the X, and we are going to return X, and then we are going to pop. So pop is easy. Push is a little work, but it's also easy. Not to peek, we just have to return. We'll be returning. Yeah, so it's not an issue. So if in this, what we are going to do is if star top size equals 0, and here also we have to add the bracket if. So return true if this queue is empty. So if the queue is empty, we'll return true, else we'll not need to write return. So I think all of this will work. So yeah, it's working. Let's submit it and check it. Nice, it has been accepted. So this is the solution, and do make sure to please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.